Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we will continue chapter number 3 with the next concept, that is common factors. Now children, what are common factors? Common factors here is nothing but when you list out the factors here and among the two numbers given or any three numbers given, whichever you find the factors similar in both the groups, those particular numbers are called the common factors of the given number. So using that concept, let us start with the next question number 1, that is find the common factors of 20 and 28. So first of all, we will list out the factors of 20, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. For 28, I have 1, 2, 4, 7 and 28. Now, after listing the factors of 20 and 28, which are the common among them? You can see 1, 2 and 4. These are the three common factors of 20 and 28 over here. Next, we have 35 and 50 here. So let us first list the factors of 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. And the factors of 50 we have here is 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. Now after listing the factors, let us now find which are the common among the both of them. So we have here is 1. Children, we know that 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Then let us find the second we have here is 5. So here only we have two common factors of 35 and 50, that is 1 and 5 over here. Now next, again the same, we have to find the common factors among the three digits given 4, 8 and 12. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. After listing the factors, children, to find the common among them, let us have 1, which is the common factor of all the numbers. Now find the second, that is 2, and one more children we have here is, that is 4. So we have here three common factors, that is 1, 2 and 4, which are the common among 4, 8 and 12 over here. Next is 5, 15 and 25. Let us first list the factors of 5. We have, when we count the table, we have only 1 and 5 as the factors of 5. For 15, we have 1, 3, 5 and 15. For 25, we have 1, 5 and 25 over here. So the common factors we have here is 1 and the next common factor we have here is 5. So among the three digits here, children, the common factor is 1 and 5 over here. Question number 3. Find first three multiples of 6 and 8. Children, multiples means start counting the table of the given number and it is asked first three multiples only. So 1, 2 and 3. Given number you multiply with 1, 2 and 3 only. So the first three multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. So what are the first three multiples of 6? 6, 12 and 18 are the first three multiples of 6. And what about 8? Now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. So the first three multiples of 8 is 8, 16 and 24 over here. Next question 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Children, whenever you calculate the table of 3 and 4, you have to write the common multiples of 3 and 4. Multiple, as we have found common factors, we have common multiples. Among both the tables, whichever you find the common number, that are called the common multiples of the given number. So, the common multiple of 3 and 4 which are less than 100 is, here we have nothing but 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96 over here. Now, which of the following numbers are co-primes? Children, co-primes here, what do we have here? You don't have any other factor except the 1 in common. So, the factors of 18 here is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Whereas the factor of 35 is 1, 5, 7 and 35 here. Okay. So, since the common factor of 18 and 35 is only 1, we have only common factor here as 1, I can say that 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers over here. Okay. So, only the 1 should be the common in both the given number or more than the numbers given. 30 and 415. First, let us list the factor of 30, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30. Whereas the factor of 415 we have here is 1, 5 and 83. Now, let us find the common among it. We have here common as 1 and also we have here a common 5. So, here you have 5 also as a common factor. So, I cannot tell that 30 and 415 are co-prime numbers, because co-prime numbers should have only 1 as a common factor among them. Question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other will that number be always divisible? Children, for 5 and 12, if you want to find that the number which is other number divisible by 5 and 12, have both of them find the product of 5 and 12. If you find the product of 5 and 12, you will get 60. That means, if the number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then that particular number will also be divisible by 60. That is the product of the given two numbers. Question 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number be divisible? So, here let us first find the factors of 12. So, let us go step by step towards it. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, here these are the factors. Now, as it is told, we have to find other number that will be divisible by 12, then any of the number that are the factors of the given number, or you can say the number which is divisible by 12 will also be divisible by its factor, any of the factor given here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, which are the factors of this number? The number will also be divisible by 12 over here. So, children, with this we end this exercise over here. Hope you understood the concept of common factor. Go through it and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.